Hello guys, welcome to another update. Well, it's not an update. Basically, it will be a tutorial on how do I render and save my videos, basically. So I have fraps set up. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? I have fraps set up like this. I record my stereo mixer. Yeah, it's Hungarian. Ooh, have my stereo mixer recorded, not the microphone or Vista Sound or something like that. Because I use a different technique that I will not tell you about. You can check Armageddon X's channel, main channel. Well, old main channel basically. I'm gonna link it somewhere uh, as to how to set it up, so you can record it with your stereo mix and not with Audacity, for example. I have it set on 30 FPS, full size, which means mostly 1280 by 1024. So let's see it right. Anyway, so yeah, I have set it up like this, and it makes these videos. This is Assassin's Creed 2, as you might have guessed. It's 102 gigs, which is, I think it's an hour, around an hour at least, of footage, and I have 27 videos. Now I have already renamed these videos. These are the raw videos. I have already renamed these, but I'm going to show you how. You select all of the items that you wish to rename, press Ctrl M, or you can actually come in the file menu and I think it's called in English mass renaming tool or something like that. So no, batch renaming tool, something like that. Ctrl M basically, and you press Ctrl M and it brings you this window, which is I do this because I render my videos with VirtualDub, or VDub in short, which I'm gonna call it from now. So I record it with VirtualDub, and you can only add one video at a time, or at least to my knowledge, you can add one video at a time when you append a video. So, but there's an option that the program recognizes all the videos linked to that the one you appended, and it basically appends all of the following videos instantly, but you will see that. So yeah, I need to rename all the videos that Fraps does to a format that goes something, any name basically, but I'm gonna call it AC2 something, and I add the counter to the end of it, which, as you see, it gives it numbers, but I want it to be 2 digits, so it gives that format to it. And as you can see, it renamed it. So I start VirtualDub, which is an awesome program. I love it. It's quick, it's easy to use. I can't edit that much as I want, but yeah, it's awesome. So I open video file and I select the first video, only the first, because as you can see, nothing. I'm pressing the button and you cannot select all of it. Also, this doesn't do anything. So I select the first video, which here it is, and I append an AV segment to the video, and I append the second one. If I didn't rename it, I would have to select all of these, select one, then come back here and select the next one. But here's the thing: auto detect additional segments by a file name. What it does is that it detects the number at the end of the name of the video, and it says, well, if it's 2, then there must be 3, and there is 3, then it appends it, and there is a 4, then it appends that, and so on and so forth, and it does it until the end. So I append the second one, and as you can see, it appended all of it, and it's 1 minute 41. So I was off by 41 minutes. Anyway, So this is our original video. This is our video that we will have. And it's not great because it has letterboxing on it, and I need to set the compression also. So what I'm gonna do is set the compression first. Oh, I was too quick, sorry. Video, and then go to compression, Control P. I mostly use DivX 6.8.5 because it's got a lovely menu, which I don't care about. I mostly render my videos in 680, well, 6800 kilobits per sec, and with one pass, but you can calculate it here with this button. And here's a calculator. You can basically enter that I want, oh right, sorry, 0, let's say 11 minutes, and I want it to be 500 megs, and audio will be 192. So, and that says 61. Well, I always round up, so it's 662. This would be enough because it will not be a full resolution one, but a well, basically I removed the letterboxes and it will be a widescreen thing. So, but I'm gonna stick with, well, you know what? I'm gonna stick with 6400. All right. So now I'm done. I need to set my letterboxing because it bugs me that it's black on each side of the screen. So I add a resize tool to it, but I'm not gonna set anything to it. I can actually crop it to the aspect ratio that I want. I'm not gonna do that. I rather just go here. The cropping button just appeared out of nowhere, basically because I added the resize. And so I go into cropping because now I can see the whole screen. And now I actually know what to do because it's for free and I want 62, and it's 1280 by 1024. I can actually just type in the 152 and it crops it exactly where it needs to go. But you can actually drag it as well if you want to, but it's 152 on each side. So alright, it's done. I click OK, and basically it says that's okay. And as you can see, my rendered video will look like this.